Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled peppers, updated. Pack sterilized jars tightly with sliced peppers, garlic cloves, and dill sprigs. Combine a 50/50 vinegar and water brine with 2 tablespoons salt and 1 tablespoon sugar, then bring to a boil. Pour boiling brine over peppers, leaving 1/2-inch headspace, wipe rims, seal lids, and cool to room temperature before refrigerating for 48 hours. Bring the brine to a simmer and taste carefully so it's balanced. Add crushed garlic, peppercorns, and optional red pepper flakes, then simmer for 5 minutes to coax flavors. Pour the hot brine directly over the packed peppers to shrink them slightly and infuse flavor. Leave 1/2-inch headspace, wipe the jar rims clean, and seal while hot to create a better vacuum and longer shelf life. Hey friends, if this is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty recipes. Quick recommendation. I've been using the new Kindle Paperwhite to read cookbooks and save recipes on the go, making it easy to follow steps in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For exciting variations, swap vinegars like apple cider or rice for subtle differences, versus changing spice blends for bold shifts. Add sugar for sweet pickles or extra chilies for heat, and consider smoking or roasting peppers first for depth. Quick refrigerator pickles are ready in 48 hours, while shelf-stable jars need proper canning technique. Label jars with contents and date so you know how long they've aged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.